night. Arrested, he was bound. They said there'd been a robbery. His pistol had been found.